We're about to take flight on Soarin Over California at Walt Disney World's EPCOT. This was brought back in place of Soarin Around the World, which is one of our favorites. We'd love to hear what you think of that compared to this ride after watching it in the comment section below.
Hello and welcome to Soarin'. My name is Patrick and I'll be your chief flight attendant today. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first I'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information. When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little beauties. Next, fasten your seatbelts, inserting them into the buckle on your right. As smaller aviators don't measure up to the height indicator on the seat, just put the belt through the loop in the center strap before buckling. Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carry-on item, safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Yeah.
All right, everyone, we are ready, sir. Come on down, friend. You're going to head on down to the last seat in the slider. Seatbelts go from left to right. Carry-on items can be placed in the compartment.
We are now conducting our final systems check. Please stow all carry-on items in the underseat compartment. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened during your flight. Soarin' to tower. We are ready for takeoff. behalf of our entire flight crew, thanks for soaring with us.
It was really good. I liked it.